All right. Vitamins. What's in my food? By George Ivanov. And this is a nonfiction text. So it's not going to be like a made up story. It is an informational text that gives us information about a topic. And today's topic is vitamins. What's in my food? Your food is made up of nutrients. Nutrients help your body work, grow, and stay alive. Nutrients give you energy so you can be active. Different types of food contain different types of nutrients. A balanced diet includes foods with the right amount of nutrients for your body. A balanced diet helps keep your body healthy. What nutrients are in my food? There are many different types of nutrients in your food. They include protein, carbohydrates, fats, fiber, minerals, and vitamins. Proteins in meat, poultry, eggs, and fish help your body grow and heal. Carbohydrates in bread and pasta give your body energy. Fats in fish and olive oil give your body energy and help it stay healthy. Fiber in bread and vegetables helps your body digest food. Vitamins in fruits and vegetables help your body work well. And minerals in milk and meat help your body grow and stay healthy. Vitamins. Vitamins are nutrients that are found in many foods. They help your body grow, fight infection, and work well. Different people need different amounts of vitamins to stay healthy. So, this person is age 8. This person needs 0.9 of an ounce, which is 25 milligrams, of vitamin C each day. The person on the right is age 60, and this person needs 1,000 ounces or 40 milligrams of vitamin C each day. Okay, so different people need different things to stay healthy. Different types of food contain different types of vitamins. They also have different amounts of vitamins. Your body needs to get enough of each vitamin. You need to eat foods that contain different vitamins every day. What are vitamins? Vitamins are found in foods made from plants and animals. There are 2 types of vitamins, fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. This caption down here says vitamin C is found in many foods such as oranges. Vitamins are micronutrients. Your body only needs small amounts of micronutrients to stay healthy. Fruit and vegetables contain vitamins and minerals too, which are also micronutrients. Fat-soluble vitamins. Your body stores fat-soluble vitamins until they are needed. They are stored in your liver or in your fatty tissue. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble vitamins. Milk contains vitamins A and K. Eggs contain vitamins D and E. Your body stores different fat-soluble vitamins for different amounts of time. Vitamin K is stored for a few days. Other vitamins can be stored for up to 6 months. Green leafy vegetables are a good source of vitamin K. Water-soluble vitamins. Your body uses water-soluble vitamins that it needs immediately. The rest pass out of your body in your urine. Vitamins B and C are water-soluble vitamins. Sardines contain B vitamins, including thiamine, niacin, and riboflavin. Oranges contain vitamin C. You need to eat foods with water-soluble vitamins every day. Foods with these vitamins need to be stored carefully and cooked properly. Otherwise, their vitamins can be lost. The caption says strawberries should be stored in a refrigerator so they do not lose their vitamin C. How does my body get vitamins? Your body absorbs vitamins when you digest food. After food breaks down in your stomach, vitamins move through the wall of your intestine. The vitamins then enter your blood. And as we can see, this is a diagram of how it goes from your food down this track. Okay? It says your blood carries vitamins all around your body. Your body uses vitamins in different ways. It needs vitamins for growth and development, but not for energy. Your body gets energy from other nutrients, such as protein, carbohydrates, and fats. What do vitamins do? Different vitamins do different things. Together, they help your body grow, fight infection, and work well. Different vitamins are found in different foods. Okay, so you see right here we have vitamin A, there's some dairy products, vitamin B can be found in fish. You have vitamin C in oranges, vitamin D in what looks like an egg. You can find vitamin E in different nuts. These look like almonds. And vitamin K can be found in broccoli and other vegetables. So vitamin A helps my eyesight. Vitamin A helps you see better. It also helps your body grow and your skin stay healthy. The caption says vitamin A helps you see at night and also helps you see colors. Vitamin B helps you get oxygen. Vitamin B works with a mineral called iron to make red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen around your body. Okay, and there's a diagram over here. It says vitamin B helps make red blood cells, which carry oxygen from your lungs, around your body, and back to your heart. There are 8 types of vitamin B. All the B vitamins are water soluble. So there's B1, which is thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B5, pantothenic acid, B6, pyridoxine, B7, biotin, B9, folic acid, and B12, cobalamin. Vitamin C helps me stay healthy. Vitamin C helps your body fight infections, such as colds. It helps your body heal when it is hurt. It makes the walls of your blood vessels strong. Vitamin C can't stop you from getting a cold, but it helps you get better. Vitamin D helps my bones and teeth. Vitamin D helps your body absorb a mineral called calcium. Calcium keeps your bones and teeth strong. Without vitamin D, your teeth and bones would be more likely to break. Vitamin E helps my eyes, skin, and liver. Vitamin E helps keep your eyes, skin, and liver healthy. It also protects your body from illness, such as heart disease. So in the picture, she's using some vitamin E cream. Your body can absorb vitamin E through your skin, as well as from eating food. Vitamin K helps my blood clot. Vitamin K helps your blood clot. When you cut yourself, you bleed. Your blood needs to clot to stop the bleeding. And guys, when your blood clots, it stops. It kind of blocks up. It makes a big jumble, and it blocks up so that blood can't come out. So when you cut your finger, blood cells stick together like glue to stop the bleeding. This diagram shows a cut in your finger starts to bleed, and then blood cells clot to stop the bleeding. Which foods contain vitamins? Different foods made from plants and animals contain different vitamins. Your body uses them in different ways. Okay, and you can see the things that are under vitamin A: orange fruit and vegetables, green leafy vegetables, liver or dairy foods. Vitamin B: whole grains, seafood, meat, and dairy foods. Vitamin C says many fruits and many vegetables. Vitamin D: fish, egg yolks, and liver. Vitamin E is oily fish, egg yolks, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. And vitamin K has dairy foods, green leafy vegetables, soy products made from soybeans. And as you guys can see, there are some of these things that fall into multiple categories because some foods contain multiple vitamins. It says you need to eat food with vitamins every day. Vitamin supplements. Some people take vitamin supplements, although most people do not need them. Supplements can help people who do not have a balanced diet. Many vegans take vitamin supplements because they don't eat meat, poultry, fish, or dairy foods. Taking too many vitamin supplements can be unhealthy. Having too many vitamins in your body can cause as many problems as not having enough. It is always healthier to get vitamins from food, not supplements. What happens if I don't eat vitamins? If you don't eat vitamins, your body won't work well. Cuts and scrapes won't heal. You will get sick more often. You might even get tooth decay. Without vitamins, your bones would not be as strong and could break more easily. Cuts won't heal and bones will break easily. And that is definitely not what you want.